This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope we're all having a great weekend. Before we go into our market selection, a few words about Naija TradeWise and BKFX. Naija TradeWise is the official marketing partner for BKFX. Now, what do you enjoy in this partnership? First of all, BKFX is registered and regulated in South Africa, but we also have ICO insurance that covers each individual to the tune of 6 million naira. Now, what are the benefits? You have easy funding and withdrawal with Naira. That's one of them. You get to choose from our money management professionals who you just copy their trades. And also you're trading with a broker you can trust. Now, what else can you get from this partnership? 100% deposit bonus, which we match any capital you deposit with us. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to move to our market selection for this week. Now, for this week, we have 7 financial instruments. They are mostly currency pairs. So to begin with, our first pair is the USD CAD. All the pairs are all Forex pairs. So quite already are financial instruments. We're going to be starting with US CAD. Now, from what we've seen here, the moving average has been below, the candlesticks have been below the moving average, but there's a pull up, there's a change in this from the weekly chart. Now we notice there was a push up and there was a pullback. Now what we expect is that we look for an entry point, let's say around here, and say we can get into the USD CAD at around, let's say here, 1.24895 with a take profit of about 1.29. It's going to take a while before it gets here, weeks, but you can jump in and jump out of the trades because of, the major trend, it's going up. That's that for the Canadian USD CAD. Our next pair is the British Pound Japanese Yen. Now looking at this is bullish. It has had its downside, as we can see, but now the candles have gone above the moving average. So we are going to look for an entry point at around, say, around 152.605 with a take profit of around 155 or even there about 155.98. That's that. It's going to be a couple of days, but you can hold it from maybe Monday until about Wednesday or Thursday. You can cash out. It all depends on your risk reward ratio. The next pair is the Euro British Pound. Now this one might be a bit tricky. It has been bullish, bearish, but we see that there has been a pushback down below the moving average. So I believe we should find an entry point, let's say at around, let's say here, 0.85272. And then we can take profit at around, say, we can even go lower, all depends. We can probably say here 84.619. This we're selling. This is the only bearish pair we have in the list for today. Our next pair is the CAD CHF. This is a monthly one. It's a very long one. It can take 3 months for materializes. We see that it had been bearish but crossed over. There was a pullback, but then the bulls took over towards the end of the month, as you can see. So we'll be looking for an entry point, say around, I would say around here, 0.72966, to take profits of about here, 0.78733. You can take 3 months to materialize this. So I would say you watch your lot size and watch how you trade your risk reward ratio for this CAD CHF. Not really a traded pair that much though. Next pair is the Euro Japanese Yen. This has had its up and down, but this one is purely bullish. So we'll be looking for entry points, say at around here. We looked at 130.543. Will it take profit at around say 134.853? This we're buying. Now, the next pair is the New Zealand USD. This is also bullish. You see that it has been going up. Of course, there were several pullbacks down. We would find our entry point, say, at around, let's go in at around, let's say just here, 0.7180. We take profit at 0.75467. Now, these monthly charts we look at, these are trades that will take 3 even to 4 months before they get to wherever it is you're looking for. But if you're looking for a quick buck, you can get in and get out. You know the major trend is bullish. That's what I would advise for this trade. Now, our last pair is the British pound Canadian dollar. Now, let's look at this one. So it had this, it's been bullish quite alright, but there was a pullback. So for this trade, we will be looking for entry point, say at around, say around here, 1.73483. Will it take profit at 1.78905? So these are all the financial instruments we're going to be analyzing, all the forex pairs, and what we just analyzed this week. We're going to be looking to take trades on them. Now, if you have any questions or suggestions or any other pair you feel we have not touched on, please write us or visit our website, preferably, and write us at www.naijatradewise.com. I am Victor from Naija Tradewise, wishing you all a great week. Thank you very much. Goodbye.